Welcome. I'm delighted that you chose to visit my website because that means you're looking for just the right person to present at your next event. Now, I realize that that can be an overwhelming task, so I would like to help make your job just that much easier. Here's a couple of ways in which I can do that. I can provide dynamic programs that will empower your people to be all that they can be, both in their personal and professional lives. Second, I use the art of sign language and music to bring my message straight into their hearts. I want everyone who leaves your program to be so fired up that they can't wait to dance to their own life song. Because I'm convinced that together you and I can make this one of the most memorable events ever. If you think I'm that person, then click on the link to my contact page. Thank you for visiting my site.